Hello, and welcome to this introduction into IT visibility. My name is Adam. Humans have a habit of automating tasks, whether it is helping us to do something quicker or removing the need for our attention, like traveling by riding a bike or driverless cars. Sometimes it's the boring, routine, dirty, time consuming tasks such as washing our clothes or the dishes. Simply put, we automate these tasks so that we can get on and do more valuable things with our time. Organizations struggle on a day-to-day basis with understanding their technology estate. Simply asking how many servers are you running can cause minor panic, let alone asking something challenging such as do you know where multiple products are used for the same thing or what percentage of the estate is unsupported. To find out, companies typically run a handful of discovery tools. These cover all aspects of the estate such as desktops, data centers, SaaS and clouds. Some even consolidate this information into a CMDB, technology database, or other systems, and they are used to generate all sorts of analysis or insight into the estate. So why then do they struggle with answering basic questions about the technology they use? Quite simply, as with any data project, whether business or technology focused, its success or failure relies on the initial data preparation phases. First challenge when you're bringing multiple sources of data together is that they will be in very different standards and that discovery tools report back millions of rows of data. What this means is if you aggregate a number of discovery sources, it becomes impossible to compare anything within the dataset. I don't know if this row represents a piece of hardware or software. I have a number of blank empty spaces. In this case, the discovery tool hasn't returned the publisher or manufacturer. I'm also guaranteed to get multiple names of publishers or products. This can be due to differences in packaging the asset, changes in the manufacturer's divisions, or it could be due to market activity such as buying and selling of products or merger acquisitions. Ultimately, it's impossible with the raw data sets to be certain who the current legal owning entity is. Discovery tools can report back in another way, and in this case, the version number has been included in the name. And I can also see rows and rows of data related to help files, language packs, uninstallers, updates, and so on. Around 90% of the data sets such as this can be irrelevant information. This data can be important, so I don't want it deleted, but I do need it filtered out so that it's easier to see the wood from the trees. The next problem is that I don't have a clear picture about the compatibility of software or the available platforms I can install it on. I don't know if the asset has vulnerability or a zero-day vulnerability, which is a known exploit and is being targeted in the wild. I also don't know the supportability of the asset, its life cycle, if it's costing us more money for extended support, or what are the support policies available. And also, very simply, what type of hardware or software are these assets? Are they servers, workstations, or routers? Are they machine learning, graph databases, or peer-to-peer networking software? It's impossible to know. Flexera One is a SaaS solution which can automate the dirty, time-consuming job of cleaning and enriching technology data. The IT visibility product on Flexera One processes the millions of rows of discovery data line by line to definitively match assets to our technology catalog Technopedia. This isn't a crowdsourced heuristics engine based on machine learning providing fake news. This is based on research and automation built up over many years by an army of content engineers and delivered against Flexera's data quality framework. Having over 3.5 million products in the catalog, it's very likely we already have the information you need for your estate, which in turn provides instantly a common language and understanding of the assets in use in your organization. It's not about delivering a single source of truth in one database or system. This is about delivering a single source of truth which can be synchronized with all your operational systems and repositories. Data can be imported into the solution using Flexera agentless or agent-based discovery technologies. Or we can import discovery data already in your organization using a range of different adapters to reuse the work already undertaken to gather the data. Once imported, IT Visibility automatically cleans and enriches the data by aligning it to Technopedia. Gaps are automatically remediated with a typical resolution goal of 30 days. This could be due to products needing to be researched and added to Technopedia, or the creation of definitive rules to identify assets in the discovery data. It will also cover 100% of your estate. We don't just provide top manufacturers, servers, or operating system content. It provides the content relevant to the technology you use. Once processed, the information can be analyzed using IT visibility or synchronized with downstream systems such as CMDBs, business intelligence, or enterprise architecture tools. Not all automation is created equal. IT visibility provides tried and tested automation to clean and enrich your technology data to establish a common language and understanding for your organization by delivering decision-ready technology data. Let me show you how in the following videos.